Today's the edit day, and I apologize. There's nothing in this video. It's like mashups and everything. Yeah. Got up really late today, and the weather's really wet and cold. Yesterday was at 29. The other day was at 29. It was great weather, but now it's bad. But I got this 14 terabytes of goodness from Amazon. I'm gonna add this over. I'm gonna shuck this drive, remove it from this box, and put it on my NAS drive. More space for my NAS drive. Okay, let's start moving. Also, I need to get a calibrator from Carlo. Wish you can go out now. I'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I look sleepy. Yeah, I got up late today, but it's a good thing that the mail's coming in. So first thing I just showed you earlier, I just got my Western Digital thingy. So I updated my NAS drive, added some 12 terabytes I reckon, and then I got this one also. So I'll be using it for that, but it's just try to open it. Okay, here it is. That's quick. I already opened it, but yeah, it's a filter for my 28mm. The ND filter, as you can see. Check that out. So yeah, love using ND filters. So this should be placed there, and yeah. So there's no 48mm adapter for that filter thread, so I just got the cheapo adapter, a China Post. It says it's from Australia, but the packaging is China Post. What the fuck? Oh shit! It's not the filter thingy. It's just something else. Come on, focus camera. It's this one. I'm a bit annoyed. I was expecting something else. So I got this. It's not focusing. So I got this. It's my USB-C, dual USB-C thingy. You plug it in one. Damn, not happy. Oh well. So I won't be able to use this for now because I'm waiting for the adapter. I have a 62mm adapter, but I need a 58. So on to the next thing to do today. So it's been a sleepy day today. It's cold. Yesterday was really warm and 29 degrees, and it was really awesome. But today it's like sleepy, lazy day, and everything's fucked up with my phone. My phone's just the power port is messed up, so I had it fixed, and when I had it fixed, the guy just said it's good to go. So I usually wash this for sanitizing purposes, and right now water is inside it. Like, how do I do that? Water is inside it. It's somewhere there. I don't know. It's crap, and now the speaker is not working. When I talk to somebody else, it's not working. When I put on the volume control, it's not doing anything. So my phone's toast. Fucking hate it. Should have waited for that wireless charger, but I wanted to have this thing fixed. And yeah, I messed up my phone. $80 and I messed up my phone. I paid $80 to mess up my phone. Fucking hell. Lesson learned. Anyway. What else? That made me... Yeah, so I can't use this filter. I just use my wide lens now, so I'm gonna try to assemble the table quickly. Bad lighting. It's really bad lighting when you're doing this. I'm in a garage right now, so it's really bad. I have this thing. Let's try to open this shit. So I hope this table's gonna work. And we'll get this okay. See how this thing is. What the fuck is this? Okay. I should put cinematic lighting up here. Should I? Put on cinematic lighting, just hold on a minute. I tried to put a bit of violet lighting in the back, but it's not working, so what the hell. Anyway, whatever. Okay, this is what happens when you're not motivated to film. Settings so bad. It's gonna be a vlog day for today, so whatever. Okay, so I decided to go out of the house today because I'm gonna go over to Carl's to get some get a calibrator for my oh, come on. Okay, so I decided to get out of the house today because I need to get the calibrator. I need to calibrate the colors of my computer because I upgraded it to Catalina, which is a different color. I don't know what the hell. Anyway, I'm heading there now. I just came from Kmart and I got some rags because rags are like ragged shit, so I had to replace it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so yeah, end of the day, I'm just here calibrating my screen with this X-Rite Color Monkey from Carlo, and yeah. So my Spider Elite is not updated. It does not do 64 gig software, so they're not updating it. I'm not able to use it on this one, the Catalina, so it sucks. I had to sell it. I'm gonna post it later. I'm just gonna calibrate this one first. So yeah, that's it. Just here, Queenie's working and yeah, trying to. It's blown out. Trying to photograph that thing. Secure the top and also secure the. Okay, it's Friday and yeah, I just woke up early, so I decided I'm gonna do some stuff. When I arrived home yesterday, I was so tired and went to bed and just lie down flat. And also, yeah, I just came from Queenie's birthday celebration of her son, which is Sky, and yeah, just did some photo shoot. And I didn't do a lot of filming. It was just a quick, yeah, I was so busy. I was hands on deck. Anyway. So I'm just going to try to organize my files here, and I just want to say good day, everyone. Also, I just ate some uchinta from Queenie's event, and that was really good. Thanks, Queenie. Okay, let's go. Let's work. Boss! Ano yan?
Nasaan tayo, sir?
Naman mo nagbibenta ka?
Hindi, boto niyo ako sa mayor.
Ang dilim na mukha mo sa
Ay!
Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Epasos,
Ito yung pumakla. Puro gamit ni Bob dito.
May mic ko.
Ay.
Akit to mic.
Parang GoPro ganyan, no?
Araw din. Naka-record din actually.
Ay!
Puta. Naka-live pala tayo. Okay, good day everyone. I know my hair really is crappy. Good thing is Victoria. Ah, it's so bright. Oh, gonna fix this shit. Okay. Good thing right now is Victoria is kind of easing up a lot, and it's still so bright. Okay. Good thing Victoria right now is easing. I had to put my laptop. Good thing right now is Victoria is easing with the restrictions, and the 25-kilometer limit is gone, and also the border around Victoria country, and I'm trying to think, Victoria country and CB metropolitan Melbourne is open. So yeah, initially we're not allowed to go out of Melbourne. There's a lockdown within Victoria, but yeah, it's a good thing right now that we're good. So yeah, it's a nice day to celebrate. Anyway, gotta prepare something to eat. It's really bright today. Yeah. Okay guys, it's the 8th of November now. It's good news because the thing is Premier Dan Andrews has taken off the limits of travel, so we can go more than 25 kilometers. And here in Victoria right now, we messed up the first time, but the thing is we're having only 4 cases now and 0 cases for 9 days, so that's cool. So yeah, more videos coming soon. Fingers crossed. We're gonna put a lot of videos in. I'm just so excited, and yeah, I need to get a shower. I stink. Okay, that's it. There's nothing in this video. I just want to put it up because yeah, make better videos tomorrow. So see ya guys.